Good morning everybody, welcome to Nilagiri Degree and PG College video classes. So last video we discussing the theorem, the important theorem, first isomorphism theorem, and that one more important theorem is the KLS theorem is the most important theorem. So మీకు వీడియోలో క్లారిటీ లేకుంటే మీ దగ్గర నోట్స్ ఉందండి, నోట్స్లో ఒక్కసారి చూస్తూ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. హియర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ థియరమ్, ఎవ్రీ ఫైనైట్ గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఐసోమోర్ఫిక్ టు ఇట్స్ పర్మిటేషన్ గ్రూప్. Observe this one, every finite group. So finite group is an isomorphic to its permutation groups. We have to prove two conditions here. Finite group is isomorphism and to its permutation group we proving isomorphic to its permutation groups. So what is isomorphism? What is an isomorphism? We satisfies the three conditions. What are they? First one on to homomorphism. So these three conditions satisfies, which is known as an isomorphism. After that isomorphism is completed to its permutation group. So permutation group means permutation group, so which satisfies the permutation definition. What is the permutation? Permutation is only 1 and onto. Permutation is only 1 and onto. After permutation group is there here, permutation is only 1 and 2. Group is nothing but it has to satisfy four properties: closure, associative, identity and inverse. So these four properties satisfied, which is known as a group, and the permutation is nothing but a 1 and onto. Isomorphism is 1 onto homomorphism. So first of all, on isomorphism, 1 and onto. What is 1? Here the function is in there, f of a. Sometimes the function is in terms on f. So f of a equals to f of b is there. We taken the element a is equals to b. That is 1 and 2 is known there. So and the homomorphism is nothing but f of a circle b equals to f of a into f of b. F of a into f of b is known as a homomorphism. So after here the permutation is also 1 and 2, and the group is nothing but a four property: closure, associative, identity, inverse. So first of all, we consider the group compulsory. Every theorem is satisfies this conditions compulsory. We using the some mapping. Okay, here G be a finite group. Is a given question is there. Every finite group is a isomorphism to its permutation group is the statement of KLS theorem. Here G is a finite group. We consider we define a function. Here we consider the compulsory function, and that function FA map G to G. Here we observe this one, the first of all isomorphism and permutation group. So first we proving permutation group, after we proving isomorphism. So first we proving permutation group, after that we proving isomorphism. So first of all, permutation group we consider the one mapping, isomorphism is also one mapping. Here the two questions are there here to finding finite group is an isomorphism and its permutation groups is two conditions we have to find it. Here the permutation group is the one of the mapping, isomorphism is the another mapping. So first of all we considered in the finite permutation group we consider the mapping FA map. In the permutations elements are in FA terms ayagandi. So G to G, FA of x equals to a into x terms are there. In the permutation terms are FA of f suffix a of n x equals to a into x elements are there in the permutation groups. So that's way we considered. After this consideration in the mapping, compulsory, which is a well defined or not, we check this one. Compulsory, we check the function is then well defined or not. Well defined, we go for the process. Okay, first of all well defined. How to find out that well? Here the function is and what f a of an x. So what is and well defined in that place x equals to y we have to take, and then we get that f a of x equals to f a of y. So we solve that process, which is the function is and well defined. So x equals to y we have to take, and we both sides we multiply a into x, a into y. A into x equals to, here the function we consider fa of x. At the same time a into y equals to fa into y. What we have to take, and x equals to y we have to take, and we get that fa into x equals to fa into y. Then we say that the fa is a well defined. So we consider the function is a well defined. Okay, so what if now we go for the process here, permutation group. So first of all we consider the mapping, after that we finding the our question is and what isomorphic to its permutation group. So first we find in the permutation group. Here we first of all we find out the permutation. In that permutation, what is permutation? And it's to solve 1 1 and onto. And we have to find out 1 1 condition and onto condition, then it is say that the permutation. Okay, here the function is in what? Fa of nx is the function. Fa of nx is the function. So if we proving 1 1, what is get fa of x equals to fa of y, we have to take it, then we get that value x equals to y. Fa of x equals to a into x, fa of y equals to a into. So a cancel, x equals to y. What we have to take in fa of x equals to fa of y, choosing చేసుకుంటే మనకి x equals to y వచ్చింది, then we say that the fa is a 1 1. After that onto is an automatically proved codomain and some element is in group లో ఉంది అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తూ then automatically here see that the fa a inverse is in z లో ఉంది అని అంటే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. f a of an x అంటే we say that the a into x multiplication, ఇక్కడ ఏ టర్మ్ ఉంటే సో ఇక్కడ ఏ టర్మ్ ఉంటే ఆ టర్మ్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ fa ఆఫ్ a ఇన్వర్స్ z తీసుకుంటే a ఇంటూ a ఇన్వర్స్ z, a ఇంటూ a ఇన్వర్స్ e అవుతుంది, e ఇంటూ z అంటే g. సో g is the single domain, single function, that's why we satisfies onto. So now we say that the 1 1 and onto both two conditions are satisfied, then say that fa is a permutation. So after this permutation we have to proving group. So group condition is what? Closure. And we have to take in two elements fa and fb. We taken two terms, that two terms are in the set లో ఉన్నాయి అని చెప్పాలి. just simply he says that fa dot fb of x equals to fa fbx, fa into bx, a into bx, a into bx, fa. సో కంపల్సరీ త్రీలో ఉంటుంది, అసోసియేటివ్ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందండి. ఐడెంటిటీ ఈజీ అండ్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్ వి సే దట్ ద ఈనే కదండి ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్, కంపల్సరీ సాటిస్ఫైడ్, identity is satisfied. After that inverse, easily say this one. Generally in identity element e, in that function is in the formation fe identity. So fa is the one of the element అయినప్పుడు the identity element ఏమవుతుందండి fe. fa dot fe equals to f into a dot e, then we say that the simple relation here a is the element, a inverse is the inverse element అయినప్పుడు fa is the function అయినప్పుడు fa inverse is the inverse function అవుతుంది. Here just see the some inverse, okay? Then automatically say that the g is in group. Group condition is satisfies, then we say that the group is in satisfied. So then we say that the permutation is satisfied, group is satisfied, then automatically which is a permutation group. So we consider some mapping to proving some element. Okay, so we consider the mapping fa of x equals to a into x is the mapping considered. In that mapping considered we proving permutation group. So what is permutation means 1 1 and onto. Okay, both two conditions are proved. After group, so group is nothing but a 4 properties. These 4 properties and these 2 properties satisfied, then we which is say that the permutation group. After that we have to proving which isomorphism. And the given question only 2 properties are there. The first one is an isomorphism, second one is a permutation group. So 2 conditions, only one finite group prove చేయాలి. So that's why 2 conditions prove చేయాలంటే 2 mappings కన్సిడర్ చేసుకున్నాం. some mapping కన్సిడర్ చేసుకొని permutation group prove చేసాం. after that we proving isomorphism. So compulsory we consider the mapping, isomorphism mapping ki we considered phi of a equals to f into a, we considered the mapping in the isomorphism andi. So that's why we consider the phi mapping g to g dash, అందులో g to g only in the permutation group. permutation కదా here group mentioned, that's why fa of x in permutation లో a into x terms ఉంటున్నాయి. here isomorphism కాబట్టి isomorphism to its permutation, observe this one clearly, isomorphism to permutation అండి. ఐసోమార్ఫిజం నుంచి పర్మిటేషన్ రావాలి. సో phi of a equals to which elements are there? f into a elements there. సో ఫైనైట్ గ్రూప్ ఐసోమార్ఫిజం అయినాక పర్మిటేషన్, బట్ ఐసోమార్ఫిజం కావాలి అని అంటే ఐసోమార్ఫిజం టు ఇట్స్ పర్మిటేషన్ కావాలి. సో దట్స్ వై phi of a equals to f into a ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, అంటే పర్మిటేషన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటున్నవి. హియర్ విచ్ టర్మ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దట్, అంటే ఐసోమార్ఫిజం చేయాలంటే విచ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ పర్మిటేషన్ టర్మ్స్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈజ్ ఐసోమార్ఫిజం? First of all we prove 1 1 onto homomorphism. 1 1, what is 1 1? Here the function is in what? Phi. So phi of A equals to phi of B we consider, then we get that value A equals to B. Then we say that the phi is in 1 1. On to అంటే సింగిల్ టర్మ్ ఫామ్ కావాలి. హోమోమార్ఫిజం అంటే హియర్ ద phi is the function కాబట్టి phi of A into B equals to phi of A into phi of B వచ్చింది కాబట్టి then phi is the homomorphism. ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ దేన్ని మనం హైసోమార్ఫిజం అంటున్నాం ఫైని, దేన్ని పర్మిటేషన్ గ్రూప్ అంటున్నాం ఎఫ్ని. సో ఫంక్షన్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ అని తీసుకున్నాం, ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ ఫై అని తీసుకున్నామండి. ఓకే, లేదా ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ అని చూజ్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఎఫ్ అనేది పర్మిటేషన్ గ్రూప్ అంటే 1 1 ఆన్ టు ప్రూవ్ చేసేసాం. గ్రూప్ అంటే క్లోజర్ అసోసియేటివ్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఇన్వర్స్ ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. సో ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ కాబట్టి హియర్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఎఫ్ కాబట్టి 1 1 అంటే ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేసాం, FA of x ఈక్వల్స్ టు FA of y చూజ్ చేసుకుంటే వి గెట్ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు y వచ్చింది. అంటే అక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ FA of x, ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ phi a, అక్కడ FA అండి, హియర్ phi of a. సో phi of a కాబట్టి 1 1 అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే phi of a ఈక్వల్స్ టు phi of b చూజ్ చేసుకుంటే a ఈక్వల్స్ టు b రావాలి. సో నౌ వి చూసింగ్ phi of a ఈక్వల్స్ టు phi of b. phi of a వాల్యూ ఈజ్ అన్ FA, phi of b వాల్యూ ఈజ్ అన్ FB. సో బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. phi a of x in that permutation group lo mapping phi a of x ante a into x, in the mapping permutation group lo phi b of x ante bx, x cancel, we get a into b, a equals to b. We taken is then what, phi of a equals to phi of b consider, then we get a equals to b, then we say that the automatically phi is an 1 1. On to compulsory, that's a single, phi of c equals to fc undante that is a single term only, on to automatically satisfied. After we is important, we proving phi is an homomorphism. Generally what is phi is an homomorphism, phi of a into b equals to phi of a into phi of b, we proving. Okay, so phi of ab అంటే here generally the phi of a equals to, we consider the mapping is an what, fa. So phi of a into b equals to, then we get fab. So f is our already homomorphism. Fab we written as a fa into fab. FA into b equals to, we written FA into FB. So FB is nothing but a phi of a, FB is nothing but a phi of b. So we have to what, we have to take an f of a into b equals to choose చేసుకుంటే we get that phi of a equals to phi of b వచ్చేసింది మనకి. That the phi is a homomorphism. So 1 1 on to homomorphism. These three conditions is satisfied, we say that the isomorphism. Then automatically G is an isomorphic to G dash. Therefore every finite group is an isomorphic to its permutation group. Isomorphic, clearly ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Finite group అనేది isomorphism and to its permutation group we have to prove it. So isomorphism is nothing but a 1 1 on to homomorphism. సో ఫస్ట్ పర్మిటేషన్ చేశాక ఐసోమార్ఫిజం, ఎందుకంటే 2 ఇట్స్ అంటున్నాడండి. సో దట్స్ వై వీ ప్రూవింగ్ పర్మిటేషన్. సో పర్మిటేషన్ ఏదైనా గ్రూప్ ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి అంటే థీరమ్స్లో, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో అయితే మనకి ఎక్కడ సొల్యూషన్ వాల్యూ క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తుంటాడు, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో థీరమ్స్లో కంపల్సరీ వీ కన్సిడర్ ద మ్యాపింగ్. సో దట్స్ వై ఎఫ్ఏ పర్మిటేషన్ కదా, పర్మిటేషన్ కాబట్టి పర్మిటేషన్ టర్మ్స్ ఎఫ్ఏ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి కాబట్టి FA of x equals to a into x, thus that model we consider the mapping. So what we have to prove permutation? So permutation is nothing but a 1 1 and on to. Permutation group is there. So permutation is only 1 1 and to. Permutation group means it has to satisfy 4 properties. 1 1 on to, sorry, group means only closer associative identity inverse. Isomorphism is on. So isomorphism, in that isomorphism to its permutation kada, so that's my isomorphism element is considered as in terms of permutation, so that's why phi of a equals to fa elements we considered. So this is the process for KLS theorem, is the most important theorem. Every finite group is an statement మీద రాసుకోవాలంటే స్టేట్ అండ్ ప్రూవ్ KLS theorem అని ఇస్తుంటాడు. సో every finite group is an isomorphism to its permutation. Isomorphism proving, permutation group is proving. సో డెఫినేషన్ తెలిస్తేనే మీకు ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి చాయిస్ ఉంటుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ డెఫినేషన్ we consider the mapping మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్. సో పర్మిటేషన్స్ అంటే ఎలా ఉంటున్నవి అండ్ ఐసోమార్ఫిస్ టు ఇట్స్ పర్మిటేషన్ కదా. సో హౌ టు గెట్ దట్ మ్యాపింగ్ అనేది ఒకసారి ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాసెస్ టు ఫైండింగ్ ద KLS థీరం అండ్ సమ్ మోర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అది నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కంటిన్యూ చేసుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.